Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to make some natural, organic, vegan shampoo. I've been watching a lot of videos online on how people are using soap nuts from India to make their shampoo, and it's literally these nuts that grow off trees. And you know what? I thought it looked like a great idea, so I'm going to try it out. I've just googled a random recipe and it looks like you just need to boil some soap nuts in some water, and that's literally it. Some people add some essential oils to make it make it smell really nice and add some more nourishment to your hair. I've literally just put some water in here, a handful of these nuts, and I've just put them in here. And I'm supposed to just let these simmer for 20 minutes or so. And in one of the videos I saw on YouTube, somebody got a hand masher and they were mashing it together to kind of create a thicker consistency. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Now this is just an experiment. I have never done this before in my life, so we're gonna have to see how this goes. And I've never used soap nut shampoo in my hair before. I have very dry hair, so I'm worried that this is going to end up making my hair even drier and straw-like. But you know what, I thought it'd be good to try because, you know, the environment and stuff. This is all natural, it's not going to have any silicones in there either. So this should actually be better for my hair, hopefully. But when I wash my clothes with these, my clothes end up quite stiff and dry to the touch. So I'm hoping this is not going to be the same with my hair. But wow, this is actually starting to bubble up quite a lot. It kind of smells like gone off food or fermented food. Doesn't smell good. This is probably why people put essential oils in it. I've actually seen some people put orange peel in there to make it smell really nice. Whoa, this is starting to really foam up. Ah, no. See, I'm guessing this is the part where I'm meant to let it simmer, but because of this appliance that I got off Gumtree, I can't actually adjust the heat on it. So I'm just gonna have to keep taking it on and off like this and hoping for the best. The things I do for YouTube, I swear. There's a video where somebody added flax seeds to this to make it better for your hair. So I might actually try that. So I've got some milled flax seeds. Let's see if this helps. I definitely feel like a witch of some kind making a potion. We'll see how that works. So yeah, I guess I'll let it simmer for 20 minutes or so and I'll get right back to you. So quick update. I really didn't like the smell of this shampoo, so I decided to get a lemon and this is the only thing I had. I would prefer an orange, but I just peeled off the skin and I put it in here. And already it is smelling a lot better, but I can still smell the soap nuts. But anyway, let's see how this goes. Now I have to admit, now that I've added in the lemon skin, it does smell a lot better. But is it good for your hair? Who knows? We'll find out. So it looks to me like it's done. So I'm going to pour it through a muslin bag to get rid of all the bits, the fine bits, and just put it into this jar for now. This is not going to work out well. Now the best part about this shampoo making process is when you're done with the soap nuts and the ingredients, you can just put it into the compost. It's really eco-friendly. And obviously, I know I'm making this for shampoo, but you can actually use it as soap for your body. Oh, it really is soapy. So it seems to have worked out quite well. I'm going to actually transfer it from this glass container. I want to put it into an old spray bottle. I've seen a lot of people on YouTube try wash their hair with this soap nut formula, but I've seen a lot of struggles of them trying to apply it to their hair because it's such a runny formula. Some people have blended it together to create a really foamy concoction, but I thought if I put it into here I can actually just spray it directly onto the areas that I need, and hopefully that will work. So the next update you'll get from me is my review on how this went. Last night I tried out that shampoo that I made, and there are some pros to it and there are some cons. Let me get into it. First bad thing that I noticed was the smell. I noticed that it just kind of smelt like gone off lemon cheesecake after a while, and I wasn't a huge fan of it. But I persevered anyway, and maybe I could come to like the smell if I use it a few more times. Maybe it's just something that I'm just so unfamiliar with, you know? Another thing I noticed, although I had put it in the spray bottle thinking it would be a lot better and a lot easier for me to use, I was wrong. I was really, really wrong there. Turns out it's a lot better just to get the liquid and just pour it straight onto your head, because when I was using the spray, at first it kind of worked like a charm, but then it got stuck with loads of clogged bits in there, and I thought I got most of the bits out by using the muslin bag, but apparently I was wrong. So instead I just put loads of it on my hair. I pretty much used all of it. I maybe got like this much left, but there really wasn't much foaming action, which is fine. Like I'm sure it still cleans. So I put it in my hair and I started rubbing it into my scalp and whatnot, and then it just, I don't know, it felt really weird in my hair. It felt like it was drying out my hair. It made my hair feel really stiff and really knotty. It felt like it was knotting up my hair really quickly, which I wasn't a huge fan of, because my hair, it knots so quickly. If I don't brush it for a week, it'll just naturally dreadlock. As I was doing it, I was kind of imagining maybe if you had really fine flat hair, this might be really good for you because it would create a lot of body and texture. I decided to wash it out. I put some more in my hair and it turned out to be really, really foamy after that. Although it did feel horrible and the smell wasn't the best, I went through with it anyway. I wanted to give this a proper good try before I made up my mind. And then I rinsed it out, thinking it probably ruined my hair, and I thought to myself, I would usually condition my hair after I've shampooed it, so I didn't know if it was okay for me to use like the silicone based conditioner that I would usually use, if it would ruin the results. So I went to one of my Lush conditioning bars, Avo bar, and I just used it on the very ends of my hair, you know, to make it fair to use natural ingredients and to really be able to review this kind of shampoo. And I felt my hair and I was like, okay, it's still a little bit knotty, it's still a bit tangled. I'm going to brush it out, put it into a plait, into a braid, and see what it looks like in the morning. So this is where we are at now. It's the morning / afternoon now, and I don't know if you can see, but my hair actually, it feels really soft. I wasn't expecting that at all. I'm really quite pleasantly surprised with this result. It feels really soft. And then I was walking out in the sunshine, and for once it's sunny. It makes me so happy to see the sunshine, and my hair just looked really shiny. I was very pleasantly surprised with this product, and honestly I am going to use it again just because I'm loving the results so far. It has given me a little bit of volume at the top. It's really soft, it's really shiny, and it feels clean. It actually feels clean, and I don't know if it was because of the lemon peel that I put in there, or if it's because of the flax seeds that I put in there. It's nourished my hair in a way that I haven't really expected. I'm very happy with this result, and obviously it has the environmental benefits to it as well, which is also another huge bonus. I mean, originally when I was putting it in my hair it felt very dry, but I think it's the actual consistency of the shampoo itself that I was using. But as soon as it was washed out, my hair actually does feel a lot softer, which is a good thing because my hair does dry out very easily. But having said that, I've only used it once, so I'm gonna have to use it a few more times to see if it works. But for now I'm going to carry on using it because I'm quite happy with it, and I'm going to experiment with different types of essential oils, see if I can make it smell better, because that would be great. And yes, that's my review for an Ayurvedic vegan natural shampoo. So if you want to give it a go, I definitely recommend it. See if it works for your hair type. Yeah, and if you have tried it, please let me know in the comments. I'm very curious to see what your experience was. Thank you for watching my video. Please like the video if you liked my content, and subscribe if you want to see more. I'm still a very small channel, and any like and subscription is very welcome. So please leave a comment, and I will see you next time.